Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to update your C4 and Evolve controller using the DAD unit through machine room monitoring. We'll also show you how to update the software for different components in your controller, like the machine room, the card top, the COP, and the riser boards. By the end, you'll have a clear step-by-step understanding of the process, so you can update your system quickly and confidently. To update the software using your personal device, you'll need a device that can connect to the DAD unit's Wi-Fi. For this demonstration, we'll be using a personal phone. You'll also need the software already downloaded onto the device, either from the software link or from the specific SBF file for your job. To get access to the software link, simply reach out to our support line at 469-678-8000, or you can message our tech support messaging line at 469-746-4674. Now we're going to go over how to connect to the DAD unit. First, take a look at your controller and the DAD unit. On the right side of the machine room board, you should see a black box. This is the DAD unit. From this box, you'll see 4 wires connected to it. One twisted blue and white pair going to the group network plus and minus, a solid blue wire going to 24 volts, and a white and blue wire going to ref. Check the lights on the unit. If you see a green heartbeat light and no red fault light, then you're good to move forward. Once that's confirmed, you can go ahead and set up the connection. On your phone, open your network settings, look for a Wi-Fi option labeled C4 or Evolved followed by your site's name. When prompted, enter the password you see here on the screen. Now we're going to go over how to log in into the machine room monitoring. Open any web browser. My preferred choice is Google Chrome, but any browser will work just fine. In the address bar, type 192.168.4.1. This will bring up the login screen. The username is admin, and the password is as shown on the screen, SmartRise MRM ! If you happen to run into any issues reaching this page, try disabling your cellular data and then refresh the web page. Once the page loads, you'll see details such as car label, current floor, destination, and mode of operation. Now we're going to go over how to enable bootloader for the machine room, card top, and COP. Before uploading the controller software, disconnect the WD jumper from the machine room, the card top, and COP boards. This step is very essential for the update to work correctly. Next, check the dip switch settings on the machine room board. For the machine room, card top, or COP boards, turn on dip switch A8 from the top bank of the dip switches on the machine room board. Then press the reset button that's located just above the LED screen. This will bring up the bootloader screen. Once the word ready is displayed, you're set to begin updating the car software. You'll now have to navigate to the software download. You'll notice a hamburger menu on the top left corner of the page. Click on it and a few options will appear. From there, select System and then click on Software Download. Now we're going to move on to updating the MR, CT, and COP software. Click on Continue and make sure that the From This Device is highlighted, then click Choose File. After selecting the file, click Upload File to start the process. To update specific boards, check the boxes next to them and click Update Selected. To update all of the boards at once, click Update All. When the software download reaches 100%, a pop-up will appear showing Success, confirming the boards were updated successfully. Next, you're going to have to rewire the WD jumper to the machine, card top, and COP boards to complete the process. Finally, turn off DIP A8, click Reset, and power cycle the boards by pulling the tool pull breaker. To verify the new software update, navigate to Main Menu and go to the About screen, and confirm that all 6 processors show the updated version. To update the riser software, you're going to have to follow these steps. Before updating the riser board, it's crucial to disconnect the WD jumper from the board. This step is essential for the update to work correctly. Now, to update a particular riser board, turn on DIPs 5, 6, 7, and 8. While the riser board is updating, watch for the B, which is the color green, and the fault, which is the color red, LEDs to flash simultaneously. To update the board, click Update All. Once the update is complete, turn off DIPs 5, 6, and 7, then cycle power. Finally, rewire the WD jumper to the riser boards to complete the process. In case the red LED located on the DAD unit lights up due to overheating issues, Turn off the controller and wait a good amount of time for the DAD unit to cool down, and then power back up the controller.